AMC Radio Club. You made it before Andy. What does the AMC stand for? Oh, well, I'm just waiting for the answers to come through. There's a couple of things that I've been modifying with stream this week. The auto scene changes gone. I didn't have the resources after what I did, but if someone buys me a coffee, you get the same thing as last time.
Comes up, says squirrel, changes my voice, or it should change my voice.
Anti-Mary crew. Do you know all the 13 codes? Never forget them from AM days. One other thing that's changed, I've also got a tip jar. This one gives you a little bit more. First of all, this cup thing that you see to my left at the right-hand side of the screen does this. You get a nice ape dance.
Voice changes as well. At the end of any messages left, it drops the coin down into that thing. And if they're lucky, it actually gets into the cup.
If they're not, it bounces way out. Like that one looks like it's going to go out. Oh no, it got stuck. Let's send another one, see if we can get it in the cup.
There's the coin. Or a little ball, whatever it is. And that went out of the way even faster.
Easy, but some get in the cups. And if anyone decides to subscribe while I'm live on the stream, it says hello. It doesn't actually change the pitch of my voice. Oh, hi, Andy. One main thing that I've been working on this week, I've had to get a Stream Deck because I overloaded the computer and it can't do the automatic scene transfers. So I've got to do them by a Stream Deck. Not ideal. But what I did to overload the stream was I added a new scene. It's not a Star Trek one. Let's begin by transporting out, shall we? Energize.
Energizing.
Now we're in Stargate. Oh, I'm glad the audio is good. I like the Stargate because I was able to do something with this one. In this case, I can leave it on this one for ages and still talk while it does this bit, or it changes the background and brings me back in. Yeah, my cup should be arriving soon. Let's go do some FT8, shall we?
It just needs to let this finish before I switch scenes.
Yeah, it's a pity they always operated the Stargate by remote rather than using a communicator. Oh well, guess I'll just have to go with the Star Trek phrase. Energize. And now we're on this one, so start up the FT8.
Okay, I'll have to move that. I didn't realise there was something popping up behind it.
My computer drags a little bit while it's loading up. America, Italy, Spain. Not very busy at the moment. Have a look at 17. That's a better signal. Give him a try. Let's lose the Stargate. Oh no, his signal's dropping. Let's hope I can make the contact. Oh yeah, we've got the compulsory annoying soundboard. Some of the typical stuff. A couple of tunes on it. Yeah, better not play that one too often. Everyone will be falling asleep. Let's see what else we got here. Rewind. If there's any dogs in the room, they're about to get annoyed. Hi, Stu. Next thing you know, we'll have Ape in the chat. Yeah, he's always full of his conspiracy theories. Hi, Matt. AMC Radio Club. Glad to see you made it over. Yeah, sorry about the start of the stream. It messed up. Yeah, I had to do a full reboot of my computer. So it took a little time to get it back up and running, get all the programs running. Also, so I didn't have the same problem. I didn't load up Discord at the same time. What can I say about that, Matt?
I like your style, dude.
It's one of the things. Smoking's not good for you, but something I enjoy. I don't know why I had to click show on a comment on that comment. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. It's because you use the word fag instead of sig. It's American problem, I think. Just be 1 second. Sorry about that. Trying to navigate with this thing rather than the computer doing it automatic. It's not fair. Yeah, just don't let the smoke out the radio. No, but that's what I go on to when I've not got normal SIGs. Yeah, I didn't think smoking a roll up while I was broadcasting live would be a good idea. Not that it matters, because there won't be anything else in it. It's normal tobacco. Let's get ready to switch sides of the band. Side seems dead again. No one seems to be hearing me on this side either. DMR, going right here. I don't actually use it that much, but it is programmed with a full code plug. Unfortunately, in this area, I've got to use hotspot. There's no repeaters in the area that I can use. At the moment, I've got end-fed random wire. It's not the best antenna, but it does allow me to get on the majority of bands. I can do 80 through 10 without too many problems. 160, I can't actually tune that one just yet. Why, it's too short. Yeah, yeah, I wish that was actually a dipole. It is a BT phone line, but because it only had one wire coming in from each side, it looked like a dipole to me. I was like, you couldn't get away with it. Let's see, 10-meter random wire, portable with a 10-meter counterpoise. Yeah, I would think that would work a treat. The only reason I don't actually use a counterpoise is you use a counterpoise and it's no longer actually an end fed. It's more like an off-center fed in my book. Suppose you could use a ground connection. That'd put it back in the end fed level. Now, the hotspots are nice, but if you want to use it going out mobile, basically you've got to have the hotspot on you. Use your mobile phone for your internet connection, and also have a battery feeding your hotspot. Not missing anything on top band. Yeah, I never used to use top band for the chat. I only used it for the FT8, so it gave me a few extra contacts that other people didn't have. The T2FD that I had previously, that did actually work surprisingly well on top band. It wasn't supposed to. It did. Considering the whole thing was only 10 meters long, I was shocked when I got a tune on it. Even more shocked when I got contact. One other antenna I've got that I can't wait to try out. I'll have to wait until I get into the new place, and that's the DX Commander, the classic. So far, I've heard nothing but good results off that thing. All except one person that's been wrong almost as often as he's been right on other things. I won't say no more on that one. As I know from the way he originally set it up, he set it up badly. On about the neighbours, I could cut my own phone line off. Only problem is in the UK, they're upgrading all the
Squirrel!
Oh. That's air ambulance. BT phone lines, they're putting in fibre broadband. Now, in some areas, it's causing a problem. Fortunately, I've not actually noticed any problems around here. See how busy 20 is. Got to be some life here. Yeah, one just flew over. Nothing but good things to say for the air ambulance. They do an excellent job. Oh, 20's normally a bit busier than this, but may as well give a shout out on it and see what I get. Girlfriend's still hanging on to my mascot for dear life. Instead, I guess I'll have to have this thing for a mascot.
Squirrel!
Yeah, it is. Supposed to be. It's also supposed to be a squeaky toy for a dog. That much fur on the tail and a dog gets it in its mouth. I don't think that's a good idea. Hello. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, I think anything except you very small dogs. In fact, not even they'd rip it to shreds. It's just soft fur on the outside, so what's this guy going to be calling? Ota. Whereabouts were you, Stu? Oh. Have you got one planned? And I'll see you again next week, same time. In the meantime, I'll catch you on the air.